If you use a mobile device, cell phone or tablet, the data from that device is being anonymized and sold. Companies find aggregated location data valuable when determining their marketing strategies and location planning. If others are monetizing that data that you're helping to provide, wouldn't you like to make money from it as well? With App, you can. Here's how it works. When you download the app, you get a link to share with others. For every friend that downloads the app, you will get $1 per month, as long as the app remains on their phone. Then they have the opportunity to share their own link and start their own revenue stream. You will also get $1 per participant per month from your friends' connections, and another 50 cents per participant per month from their connections, and another 50 cents per participant per month from theirs. This simple compensation plan pays through 4 levels once you have 10 on your first level. So think about it. How many people do you know who would download this app and then would get 10 more people to do this? The numbers can add up phenomenally. How is this possible? Every app on your phone collects data, anonymous data, location data. All of that is being sold to major companies, to marketing companies, and can be sold multiple times over. Chance for the person providing the data, you, to get a piece of the action. Again, the location data is aggregated with no personal identifiers. Oh, and here's the best part, by doing good. Each month the app is on your phone, funding for 5 meals will be donated to feedingamerica.org to support local food banks. What do you have to lose? You will never be asked for a credit or debit card number. You can be responsible for thousands of people getting free meals each month and earn unlimited income through your efforts for yourself or your favorite organization. Get a referral code from the person who sent you this video to get started.